This question is on acquisitions. How large of an acquisition is Berkshire comfortable targeting currently? And to what extent are Berkshire's major equity investments in Wells Fargo, Coke, American Express, and IBM realistically a potential source of funds for deals?
Well, they could be a source of funds, but it's very unlikely they will be. But our goal is to buy really good businesses and big businesses and businesses where we like the management and businesses that we think we can grow over time. I mean, Berkshire is about building earning power. When we buy, as we did a day or two ago, agreed to buy that transmission line in Alberta, I mean, I'm looking at trying to add earning power to Berkshire. And we try to do that every day or every week or every month, that we don't get opportunities that often. But if the opportunities were large enough and we needed to raise some money, we can dip in to a huge reservoir of securities and still have huge investments thereafter. It hasn't come to that. When we've got 40-some billion of capital or cash, and I'm willing to take it down to 20, we've got a fair cushion there. But if I needed to, we would do something if it was attractive enough and big enough that it required us to. So that could happen. Could happen this year. It could happen 10 years from now. You never know. Charlie, have you got any thoughts on that?
Well, no, I think our acquisitions have been irregular in the past. They'll be irregular in the future. I do think we'll get more sort of automatic, intelligent redeployment of capital from our railroad and our utility subsidiary than we had in the past. And I think that's good for the shareholders.
I think people may think that what we get turned on is by finding some stock we like to buy. That's fine. But there's no comparison. What really turns us on is finding a business we want to buy and that fits well for Berkshire, and that'll be earning money for Berkshire 10 and 20 and 50 years from now. That's what we've been trying to build for 49 years, and marketable securities have played a big part in that, because the profits we've made from them have helped do that, and it's a great place to deploy capital. It's easy to do there, but what we're really thinking about, at least Charlie and I, we've got Todd and Ted thinking about marketable securities. What we're really thinking about is buying businesses, and that's what it'll continue to be. We're in no hurry to sell any of those stocks you mentioned. There probably would be other stocks. If we were going to get from stocks, they would not be the names you mentioned.